Morning everybody, Mike Niemiec here with some early morning grain and oilseed comments for Friday, August 1st. It's the start of a new month, but it's also the end of a week. And for the week, we're down in the neighborhood of around 5 cents in the wheat and in the corn. We're down roughly a dime in the beans. We're down around $5 in the meal, but we're up around 5 points in the soybean oil. Now the overnight trade's a little bit kind of mixed. We've got the wheat market up 4, corn down 2, the beans down a dime, the meal market down 3.5 points, and the soybean oil market down around 10 points at this time. So as you can see, after coming off the month of July being down hard month, we're not really seeing any type of buying starting off the new month for this month of August. So August contracts for the beans and the meal, they are a little bit less on edge as a result of still seeing no deliveries. We saw a little less soybean oil deliveries in the neighborhood of around 500 lots, but still being issued and stopped by the street. Later on today, we'll be getting our commitment of traders report. And as we start off the new month, we surmise that at this point in time that the trade is a sizable net short in the wheat, small net short positions in the bean and in the soybean oil, but still net long the corn and the soybean meal. Going forward into the month of August, or at least the first half, we think that there will be 3 things that will dictate price direction from here. Number 1, it'll be weather. Number 2, it'll be crop ratings. And then number 3, it'll be the August 12th report. At this point in time, we still think that all 3 of those things are non-bullish. So right now we're surmising that the month of August will still be somewhat on the defensive unless one of those 3 things change. And I guess probably the more important thing is that during the month of August, still seeing that the beans are a little bit more elevated than where the wheat and corn is, will we start to see some type of relationship with the beans versus the corn and wheat during the month of August, where if the weather's good and we start to build that 400 type of carry out and find out that perhaps that the cash markets and or the speculator wants to get a little bit shorter the marketplace than where they currently at, will we find out that the beans will eventually lose to the corn and wheat during this month of August, as this is probably the most important time period for crop development for the soybean crop. Once again, these are my opinions, not that of ADM or ADMIS. Thank you.